Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a brand from the world of the automotive industry. It is a Japanese automobile manufacturer founded in 1970. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Mitsubishi Motors. Mitsubishi Motors. Mit. Su. Bi. Shi. Mo. Ters. Mitsubishi Motors. It is known for producing a variety of vehicles, including compact cars, SUVs, and crossovers, with a strong emphasis on innovation and efficiency. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.